So, yes, Bete, any question from your previous lecture? Yes, in previous lecture, we have discussed sigmatropic rearrangement reaction. So, any question from there? हाँ जी, बोलो बेटे. So in previous class, we have discussed sigmatropic rearrangement reactions. Sigmatropic rearrangement reactions. And what was the migrating group? We have discussed 1,3 and 1,5 sigmatropic rearrangement reaction. And what was the migrating group in both reactions? केड़ा group migrate कर रहा सीगा?
Alkyl carbon.
Alkyl carbon? No.
Allylic carbon.
Allyl.
नहीं बेटे, allylic carbon ਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਉਹ group ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. But which group was migrating? Which group was migrating? We have discussed these example. So which group was migrating? This one, hydrogen. Hydrogen migrate हो रहा सी ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so hydrogen was migrating. Now let us look. Next is stereochemical asymmetric reactions when migrating group is alkyl carbon. So in the previous case, we have discussed hydrogen as a migrating group. So now we have to discuss stereochemistry when your migrating group is alkyl carbon, not hydrogen. For example, suppose we have a 1,3 sigmatropic rearrangement reaction. So this is your 1,3 sigmatropic reaction, and here we have taken alkyl group as the migrating moiety rather than CH double bond CH2. So this carbon is your allylic carbon, and suppose over this carbon you have this group, this one. Now this carbon suppose given as third position. So that number 3 in two different ways, in two stereochemical ways. One is it migrates like this. Second way is it migrates like this. Difference between these two. What is difference between these two products? We have to discuss stereochemical approach. Here, both alkyl left side. Here they are present on the right side. So what you call it? Here in this product, the configuration of same as that of your reactant molecule. So what you call it? Inversion or retention configuration?
Retention, sir.
Retention. So here reaction about this one in this product, you can see configuration is opposite. Here these group are there present on the right side. So what you call it? Retention or inversion? Inversion. So there are two possibilities. In case of hydrogen, there is a possibility because hydrogen is a single atom. But when alkyl group is attached, retention in configuration or with inversion in configuration. So we have to find out under which condition retention take place, under which condition inversion take place. Now this is very, very important again. ठीक है, exams question आ जाता है. So yes, any doubt? जो अपन ने problem discuss की थी उससे कोई doubt? Okay, so how this molecule, okay, so how this migration take place via formation of, how the migration of hydrogen was taking place via formation of which species?
Allylic radical.
Radical. So again here, the bond between this allylic carbon and this carbon, it will break and this group will migrate as the radical. Okay, it will migrate as the radical to this position. So again, you have two species. One is allylic radical and second one is this carbon radical. Now, if you have a carbon radical, what is the structure of this carbon? It will have this kind of structure, sp2 hybridization atomic orbital. Hydrogen orbital with same positive sign. Now, what about this one? This p atomic orbital has the two lobes. They have same sign or opposite sign?
Opposite sign.
Opposite sign. So one lobe will have a plus sign, another will have minus sign. Okay. So here the migration of this system will take place to this carbon. Okay. So in the thermal condition, again, which one is your SOMO? In allylic one is your SOMO, singly occupied molecular orbital. कल कितना सी ना? Psi3 or Psi2 for thermal?
Psi2.
Psi2. And in Psi2, what was the sign of this terminal lobe?
Opposite.
Opposite.
Opposite. So you have plus, minus, minus, plus. For this is your reactant molecule. And over this terminal position, you have this carbon attached. R prime hydrogen. It has to migrate over this position. Okay. So again, in how many ways it can migrate it? It can migrate it in two ways. One is suprafacial. Second one is interfacial. So let us see when this group migrate to this carbon. Okay. So this is your side 2 to migrate over this carbon. Okay. So your transitions plus minus, minus plus. So this is your carbon. This one. Okay. So you have a minus here, suppose, plus here. So in suprafacial manner, reaction is allowed or forbidden? Suprafacial ki hai, your same lobes are overlapping, which are present on the same side. So that means this lobe is overlapping, this lobe is overlapping, and here this lobe is overlapping, either this or this one, which is present on the same side. So your reaction is allowed or forbidden? So forbidden. So in suprafacial, it is forbidden. Okay, it is forbidden. If it take place, it will take place with retention in configuration or with inversion in configuration. On the
Inversion.
no, इथों break हो रहा है. These group are they are present on the same side. इथों break हो गए, it migrate over here, this position, and finally it will migrate over here, same like this.
Retention.
Okay, it will not because it has to be suprafacial. So it will take place in retention in configuration or with inversion if it take place. Otherwise, it is a forbidden. Yes, बोलो.
फिर समझ नहीं आई.
हाँ जी.
फिर समझ नहीं आई.
Okay, समझ नहीं. चलो कोई गल नहीं. Let us see interfacial. फिर समझ आ जाएगा. Let us see interfacial. So again we have this system plus minus minus plus. Now it is interfacial. That means lobes on the opposite side they will overlap. So how they will overlap on the opposite side? Like this. So here you have plus, here you have a minus. So this lobe will overlap with this one, and this will overlap with this one. Now it is interfacial or suprafacial. Now you can see even this migrating lobe, these combining lobes, they are on the same side or on opposite side.
Opposite side, sir.
They are on opposite side. So that's why it is interfacial. And finally, when it migrate to this carbon, so how it will look like? It will look like this. Like this one. So on the which side I should put this R prime and R? On this side or on this side? Right side or on left side? Remember, it breaks over here, then it rotates like this, so that this negative overlaps with this negative. So on the which side I put this R and R prime?
Right
Here.
side.
Here, R and R prime. Okay. So now tell me, this reaction take place with inversion or retention in configuration? Here, this one. In starting, they are on this
Inversion,
side, inversion.
Inversion.
Here they take place with inversion. So in inversion, but this reaction is geometrically not feasible. So now in this case, upper case, it is retention or inversion, suprafacial?
Retention, sir.
Retention, because they will remain on the same side. Because they will remain on the same side. So yes, bete, समझ नहीं आया सी जिन्हों? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so under thermal condition, we have seen in 1,3 sigma tropic rearrangement reaction in suprafacial manner, reaction is forbidden. But if it take place by retention in configuration. Interfacial reaction is geometrically forbidden. But if it take place with inversion in configuration. Now let us see in photochemical reaction. So in photochemical reaction, what is your SOMO?
Psi3
star.
Hanji. Which one? Psi3 as a retention take place photochemical condition. Your SOMO, yes, electron from Psi2 will jump into Psi3 star. So in Psi3 star, what is the sign of terminal lobes?
same sign, sir.
Same sign. Okay, so overlapping with positive, negative is overlapping with negative. So suprafacial, it will allowed or forbidden? Suprafacial matlab a same side वाली लोग के विचकार जाके इन दोनों से overlap करेगी. So it will be allowed or forbidden? Allowed. So this will be like this. And in the product version in configuration, एक प्रोडक्ट बन गया ना, इट विल मूव लाइक दिस, ठीक है, इट विल नॉट रोटेट, ये इससे ना ओवरलैप कर रहा है, सेम साइन का प्रोडक्ट बनेगा, करेक्ट। सो your 1,3 sigma tropic rearrangement reaction in case of when migrating group is alkyl group, again it is allowed under photochemical condition by suprafacial overlapping, and reaction take place with retention in configuration. Remember it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What will happen in interfacial? If it take place how? बोलो बेटे।
इन्वर्जन होएगा।
हाँ जी, inversion होएगा। इधर थोड़े को लगा है this one, this will, so this is a negative positive overlapping. However, if it take place, because this will get rotated, okay, this will get rotated like this. So this was the stereochemistry of alkyl group migration when your 1,3 sigma tropic rearrangement reaction is there. So yes, beta, any question or doubt? So what about 1,5 sigma tropic rearrangement reactions? What will happen in that case? H double bond same, and so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. हाँ जी, की गलत हो गया? Here you have a single bond. Here you have it. So this has to migrate over here, and this reaction can take place either with the retention configuration. Under which? So this is retention.
Thermal, sir, superficial.
So under which condition this reaction is allowed? We have already seen yesterday. Thermal. Okay, so again, how this reaction take place? This will undergo a homolytic bond cleavage over here. So you get this CH2 radical, CH double bond CH single, this radical. So the thermal condition. Oh, what's your song in this case? Psi3. These terminal lobes.
Same sign.
Same sign. So suppose this is your reaction. So in suprafacial manner.
Allowed, sir.
Allowed. Okay, so this reaction is allowed, and it will take place with retention or inversion in configuration. Retention, because this will move as such, rotate नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि positive same side में. With configuration. What will happen in case of interfacial?
इन्वर्जन हो जाएगा सर।
Inversion हो जाएगा। तो बनाओ अपनी कॉपी दे खुद। And reaction will be allowed or forbidden?
Forbidden.
Forbidden. So here you have plus plus, forbidden. Photochemically. Photochemical.
Psi4 star.
Psi4 star. So in Psi4, the sign of terminal
Opposite.
lobes will be opposite. So I am making directly, it is allowed or forbidden? Opposite sign overlapping. However, if it takes, and in interfacial, it will be allowed or forbidden? Photochemical interfacial?
Allowed होएगा सर।
Allowed होएगा. But reaction होएगी कि नहीं?
No sir.
No, because it is geometrically not favorable. Inversion. Retention or inversion?
Inversion.
So, because this will rotate. Negative place with inversion. So this was your photochemical 1,5 sigma tropic rearrangement when your migrating group is alkyl group. The exam normally key question on that, discuss stereochemistry of sigma tropic rearrangement reaction when migrating group is alkyl group. तो उस केस में तुसी ये डिस्कस करना है कि रिएक्शन इन्वर्सन नाल होएगी या रिटेंशन नाल. I think it's very easy अगर थोड़ा समझ आ गया होवे. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो फिर मैंने retention, sorry, selection, again selection. See, they are almost same, but अपन ने बस stereochemistry लिखनी है. So system equals to 4n electrons. For example, like 1 plus 2 electron system for when I plus j tropic rearrangement reactions, and 3 others. The next was mode. So you have two kind of mode: thermal, photochemical. So here also thermal, photochemical. Overlap suprafacial in both facial. So here also antarafacial, antara. Then we have a reaction. Okay. So 4n system like 1, 3 under thermal in suprafacial manner, yes, allowed or forbidden?
Forbidden है sir.
Forbidden. However, if it take place, it will take place with what stereochemistry? Retention or inversion?
Retention.
Retentional होएगा. Suprafacial हमेशा retentional होएगा क्योंकि वो same side को move करेगा. ठीक है? Suprafacial हमेशा ही retention in configuration ਦੇ ਨਾਲ होएगा. Antarafacial reaction is allowed, but there is a inversion. ठीक है? Suprafacial photochemical allowed, antara forbidden, supra था retention, facial thermal 4n plus 2. बोलो इसका opposite ऊपर से करना नहीं है. It will be allowed, forbidden, retention in configuration, inversion, retention, inversion. Okay. So these are your selection rules. So mind it, when a suprafacial sigma-tropic rearrangement, it will always take place with retention. So both are take place with retention and configuration. 115 under thermal conditions, suprafacial with retention and configuration. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, note down karo jaldi naal, and then we will move on to the next topic.
हो गया सर.
Okay, so next is reactions, sigma-trop PMO theory method. So we have to discuss PMO theory or Huckel-Mobius method. So let us begin with the again. Suppose this over here 1, 2, 3 allylic carbon is one migrating group is also bond CH. So again we have to find out under which condition reaction take place, but by PM or HM method. और थानू पता है 1,3 sigma tropic किस conditions होती है in presence of photochemical condition in suprafacial manner. Okay, so what we do in PM or HM method? What we do in PM or in HM method? Yes. This is third time we are doing it. One in electrocyclic kita si, second we have done in cycloaddition. Now it is third time. So what we do in HM method or in PMO method, what we look for and how we will start. Yes, bete, please respond. This is third time we are doing it. What we do in PMO or HM method? What are its characteristics?
सर ट्रांजिशन स्टेट को देखते हैं.
Transition state nu dekhde hain, whether it is aromatic or anti-aromatic. We will look for the number of nodes: 0 node Huckel system, 1 node Mobius system. 0 node 4n plus 2 pi electrons. That is your transition state is aromatic. 1 node 4n pi electron transition state is aromatic. What is other characteristic of this method? That's very important characteristic.
सर एरोमेटिक या एंटी एरोमेटिक
नहीं वो तो ठीक हो गया बेटे, एरोमेटिक या एंटी एरोमेटिक देखते हैं, बट डू वी लुक फॉर होमोल्यूमो?
नो सर.
No, ठीक है, this is very important. We do not look for homolumo. We take each bond separately. ठीक है, तो सारे का की साइन आएगा, सेम ही साइन आएगा सारियां लोब्स का. ठीक है, we do not take homolumo in this method, and this is very important to remember. Okay, so let us start directly here. So over the transition state. So this is suppose your allylic carbon and hydrogen is migrating, and suppose this is your hydrogen, and hydrogen has only one side plus. Now tell me, what will be sign of these logs?
The
This is
same sign.
सारे की ने positive, ये थोड़ा development हो गया, and this is your free radical over here, carbon. So this will be also like this. ठीक है, इत्थे ਆਪਾਂ होमो लुमो नहीं देखने, ठीक है? Okay, so your transition state will be इधरों भी supra, ये तो है ही सिर्फ इक्को ही है, like this. Transition state, do we have any node?
No, sir.
So it is a Huckel system. How many total electrons are there in this system that are migrating, that are involved in transition state? 4 or 6? You can see 2 pi electrons are here that are involved, and 2 इधर चला गया, ठीक है? Total electrons involved ने
4.
4. So it is a 4n pi system. So under thermal state, this transition state is aromatic or anti-aromatic? Huckel system, 4n pi electrons is aromatic or anti-aromatic?
Anti-aromatic.
So it is anti-aromatic. That's the same result we have obtained in second method, FMO method. Okay, so second is when overlapping is when reaction is interfacial, that is moving. So how interfacial reaction will look like? How interfacial reaction will look like? This overlap tell me how interfacial reaction will look like. बोलो जल्दी नाल. एक किस नाल overlap करे? अगर इधर ऊपर वाले नाल कर रहा था, this is superficial. We need
Minus
interfacial in
नाल
case of the single hydrogen. Minus नाल नीचे. Nodes
1, sir.
1. Which system?
Move.
Thermal transition state
Allowed.
is what? Photochemical facial reaction is why it is geometrically forbidden, because so this overlapping is not geometrically feasible. Next reaction. Okay, bete, I have less than 1 minute. Rejoin karo tusi. ठीक है, I will end this meeting and rejoin it.